Hey everyone, this is Mr. Z and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about a quicker way of creating polygon primitives in Autodesk Maya. To start, let's get rid of these things. So I'm just going to select them by left clicking on them and then pressing the delete key on the keyboard, and that is essentially how you eliminate those polygon primitives that we made. Now the quicker way of creating a polygon isn't by clicking on here, but instead it's by activating a special type of creation mode. So I need you to go to the create option, then go down to polygon primitives, and over in this menu I want you to activate interactive creation. And the cool thing about interactive creation is, let's say I select a cube. Now it asks me to drag the base on the grid and then pull for the height. So instead of it automatically just generating in the center, instead I can move over here and I could left click and hold. So you can see how that happens. It's generating what the shape looks like, and then when I let go of it, it says drag up to set height. So I could left click hold again and I could drag it up to generate the height. And once I let it go, boom, I got that polygon in place. So it automatically generates it. And I could do the same with the cylinder. I could select it and drag it up. The sphere will only allow you to like generate it all at once, and so on and so forth. So it's actually really cool, the ability to quickly generate and create polygons like so. Okay, so this is a quick one, but in the next video we're going to start using these things to put something together. So I'll see you then. Peace.